Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this HWHO LED OLED heated gloves for men, for women, and for the other people out there too. These are heated gloves with a battery operation, 7.4 voltage and 20,000 milliampere hour of battery power. We have 3 heat settings. We have a touch screen, a motorcycle gloves for harsh skiing, for hiking, for cycling, and of course, as I told before, motorcycling. You can choose M or L as in size. I choose the L version of it. These heated gloves, also known as the heated gloves 2, comes with the power of 7.4 voltage 10,000 milliampere hour batteries, because one of them comes with that. We have 2 of them, total is 20,000, that provide up to 6 hours of continuous heat. In just 10 seconds, we will feel the pleasant warmth on our hands. Either for long trips on the motorcycle or during the winter sports. Perfect heated gloves with the batteries for women and men. We choose between 3 heating levels, high, medium or low. High is 65 degrees Celsius, medium 60 and low is 55. The integrated battery display clearly informs us about the charging level on each of the power banks, 175, 50 and 24%. So we keep an eye on the energy. These heated motorcycle gloves gives us full control, we are always rechargeable there with these heated motorcycle gloves. The fingertips are touchscreen compatible, directly on the thumb and index finger. The double-layer water-repellent materials reliably keeps rain and snow out for dry and warm hands during all winter activities. And it's made of the cotton, velour and polyester for optimal comfort and warmth. The 6-layer construction of these winter motorcycle gloves effectively insulate against the cold and the wind. The palm is made of highly elastic fiber for improved grip and extreme durability. Convincing, even as thin heated gloves. This ergonomically shaped winter gloves offers a perfect fit. Reflective elements on the back of the hand increase the visibility at the dusk. We adjust the cuffs and the particle hanging on the eye completely designed. That's an ideal stuff for winter time, of course. It makes a good job with our winter time on our bicycle as well. No problem with these heating gloves. Rechargeable battery included. It's waterproof, non-slip design. Of course, it's windproof. It comes with a circuit safety system, 3 heat settings, breathable, touchscreen capable, all for you. All the fast heating that warms our hands in just 3 minutes. We can go to high, medium or low settings. All what you need is there. If it is cold at the ocean, it is cold in the mountains, no problem for it. We can handle these gloves easy and fast. Touch on it, get it in position, job's done. And you are really warm at the winter time, for example. We fully charge the battery before first use. Then we insert the battery into the pockets and close the zipper. Then, of course, we go and long press the button to turn on the gloves. And we presses set up 1, 2, or 3 as we like it. Job's done. And it's warm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!